Let me show you all screen lock types available on a Realme 14T. So if you decide to set up a screen lock password, you have three main options. The pattern, where we need to connect at least 4 dots, alphanumeric, where we need to create a password that contains letters and numbers, and there is also numeric, which is pretty much a pin code where we can only use numbers. If you choose any of these, you will see this information that you should remember the password, because if you forget it, then you will not be able to unlock your phone and get the phone data. Besides that, while creating a password, you can also tap over here on this text, use a different password type. And for example, for numeric options, we can also switch between 4 and 16 digits, or just 4 digits. And that's pretty much it. Of course, in addition to that, we also have the fingerprint unlock and face unlock. So we have the fingerprint sensor and face recognition feature. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.